Are you showing Sergi how to play with his toy?
It comes down.
Yeah, keep it up though. Oh, I see.
Like that. Like that.
Mm-hmm. Just like that.
That's gentle. I'm not hitting him.
No, you're being gentle, aren't you? You're a good big brother.
I'm pulling his hair, Mommy.
Yeah. You're gentle, gentle.